In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Windows 11 Quick Access. If you want to remove recently shown items from Quick Access and make File Explorer look cleaner and more private, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. Quick Access in Windows 11 is designed to show files and folders you open often, which can be convenient, but sometimes you may prefer to clear that history and stop those items from appearing altogether. To get started, open File Explorer on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by opening it from the Start menu. Once File Explorer is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar where you'll see Quick Access listed. Now, right-click on Quick Access in that left sidebar. A small menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, select Options. On some systems, this may appear as Change Folder and Search Options, but it opens the same settings window, so either one is fine. When the Folder Options window opens, make sure you are on the General tab. This is usually the default tab, so in most cases you won't need to switch anything. In this section, look for the area labeled File Explorer History. You'll see a Clear button there. Go ahead and click Clear. This immediately removes the recent file and folder history that Quick Access has been using. After that, stay in the same window and look for the two checkboxes labeled Show Recently Used Files and Show Frequently Used Folders. If you want Quick Access to stop displaying this kind of activity going forward, uncheck both of these options. This is the part that not only clears the current history, but also helps reset Quick Access, so it doesn't quickly fill back up with suggested items. Once you've unchecked those settings, click Apply to save the changes, and then click OK to close the window. At this point, Quick Access should be cleared, and the recent and frequent items should no longer be shown. If you ever want to bring those suggestions back later, you can return to the same Folder Options window and re-enable those two checkboxes. But for now, your Quick Access area should be much cleaner and more private. That's all you need to do to clear Windows 11 Quick Access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.